Hello and welcome everyone, CarMAN back with another video, and today I'm going to be sharing with you my Mercedes-Benz C300 W204. I have another small DIY project that I'm doing. Currently my roof trims are faded, so I'm going to be showing you guys quickly on how you can remove this and get them painted. So let's get started. So removing these pillars are pretty easy. You're going to start from the windshield side. Just insert your fingers underneath and you're going to slowly keep prying up all the way to the back. These trims are held on by some clips, so there's no necessary tools needed to remove these. So now that these trims are removed, I'm going to sand them down and repaint them. You could repaint them black or you could body match them to your original paint. But this is how easy it is to remove these trims. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a like and share. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and I'll see you guys soon with another video. Thank you.